In today's tutorial, I want to show you how to zip your files. That is, how to put all your files together in a folder and zip it. The benefit of this is that it protects your files from getting missing or getting damaged or being attacked. So I want to show you how to zip your files. For example, in this folder, I have series of shape files. If I want to send this thing to somebody through email or WhatsApp, if I send it as a folder like this, some of these files inside may got missing. So the right thing to do is to zip it and send or keep. So to do that, two ways. Number one is that you can either highlight all the files like this, highlight it, then right click and you see add to archive, depending on the method you want to use, or add to shapefile.rar, or compress to email, or compress to shapefile.rar and email. But you must have installed WinRAR or any other file extractor before you can do this. I have done a video on how to install WinRAR. You can check the description box for that video. Now I want to use WinRAR, so I'll click on add to archive. So here I will choose the name. If I want it to be shapefile.rar, or if I want to edit it, I will give it the name I want. Then check this zip, and here you can set the password. For example, let's set the password to GGS, for example. Then click on OK and click on OK. So the file has been zipped. So if I now send this one to anybody, he will find all these files inside. Alternatively, another way of zipping it is to put all these files in a folder, just as I've done here. See, this is the folder that contains all the files. So this is the folder. I can now right click and add to archive. Click on it, then choose the name you want to give to it. So let's say 1, just to differentiate it. Then click on zip, and here you can set your password as well. Set your password GGS and click on OK. Then click on OK. So you can see it has zipped it. Now if you send it to somebody and that person want to extract it, right click and you see extract file. Click on OK. Now you have to provide that password, which is GGS. So when you send it to somebody, you have to tell him the password. Click on OK. You can see it has been extracted. This is it. So in a nutshell, this is how to zip your files